I didn't meet you, but I want to.
Oh,
What's her name?
that's so cute. Tessa.
Tessa, I'm Danny. Nice to meet you, Tessa. Dude.
Her boyfriend's name is...
It's Danny. Danny.
We have boyfriends. You guys are so good looking, but we can't.
You are mine!
Our boyfriends literally don't trust us.
You guys are gonna let your boyfriends stop you
From your future husbands.
Did you guys plan that one?
No, this was just
That was good.
this was a universe moment right here, right now. You like matcha, right? You like matcha. How did I know him? I gotta get your.
Because every bitch loves them.
No, I gotta get your Instagram now.
Okay, where do you live?
Miami.
I'm from Greece.
I swear I could have sworn she was like half mine, half mine.
Okay. He said I could have sworn she's half mine, half fine.
Me is a problem, ain't nobody
that.
trying to save ya. Baby, get that paper. Probably got a lot of other bitches owe you favors. Pussy so good, had to save that shit for.
We'll keep it on the
Here.
low, alright?
Okay.
Don't worry.
Yeah.